Welcome to the Moldex 3D webinar series. Today we have with us Torsten Kruse, and he'll be describing the Kruse Training resource. It's a new training resource that anybody can utilize to provide what he calls a circle of knowledge, where we're trying to create a synergy between the three main teams in the product lifecycle: the mold designers, process engineers, and the part designers here. So I'll hand it off to Torsten, and we will get started with this webinar, and we'll have a question and answer session afterwards. Quick reminder for everybody, just to mute your microphones so that there's no background noise. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Torsten Kruse, Kruse Analysis. Welcome to the Moldex 3D webinar series. Today we will be discussing the new knowledge and training tool that has been launched this year. It's called Kruse Training. We will go over a few of the important aspects of a part design, mold design, and process engineering tasks that all of us have to go through to make sure that a project is going off with the right start. So the goals and objectives for today's webinar, we will be going over the DFM, Design for Manufacturability. We will be discussing the goals, and we will look at how to optimize this process and how to evaluate. We then will go and show you the relationship between Kruse Analysis and Kruse Training. For about 25 years, we have performed simulation services, and we've discovered that most of our tasks are in general the same for every project. And so about 3 years ago, we try to set up a new training tool that will give the part designer, mold designer, and the processor a lesson structure to understand the interactivity between all of these different fashions in injection molding, to make sure that the project is going off to the right start. So then we will switch also and show you what we call the Circle of Knowledge training program. It is, again, the Circle of Knowledge is the interaction between all of these different fashions in our industry, and that's why we called it the Circle of Knowledge. We will go over a lesson overview, what kind of lessons are available, our future plans and on lessons, and of course, what kind of industry partnerships we are going to set up to be able to accomplish our goals. And especially the partnership with Moldex 3D is very important to us because we share information, we share knowledge, and all of this knowledge will go into this training tool.